YouTube, what's going on? Death Zr1 here. It's been a minute, you know, like I told you, I've been having that little charter situation. We got it under control. Found out the problem was, you know, as y'all saw, I got that upgraded alternator. They changed, you know, the wiring for there were some wires in it that were too small. They upgraded to a bigger wire, so now we're reading the proper voltage like it should be. I'm going to pick it up today. I'll give y'all a cold start video. They basically just started all over. They basically just see everything I had done to my car and just started over to see what was the issues, all these issues coming back. But it's my fault, taking it in the shops that don't know what they're doing, who don't really know, like, you know, this shouldn't be taking a Zr1 to some people like that. Should be going to people who know exactly what to look for and all that. But, you know, it's a lesson learned. So picking up today, can't wait to just drive it around and enjoy it. So I can enjoy it for the summertime. I'll give y'all a cold start video.
It's all nice and cleaned up.
I gotta do it for the tube. New front tires, what is this?
Drive sticky. Fuck you, right? Yeah.
Dude, accidentally bangs off the clutch while I still full throttle. Fuck, boom!
Force to reverse. Hanging on your wall or something.
Yeah.
Clean it out, hanging on your wall.
Greg, I've literally, like, tortured the shit out of one of these.
Exactly. I don't know how the fuck I did this.
Like, my V1, I destroyed the quarter panel before I blew that out.